My name is Terezia Muresan Samoilescu. I'm a fellow of ECAMS in aesthetic medicine. I started my journey with ECAMS on April 22. It was the most pleasant journey of my life till now. A great experience. I learned a lot regarding aesthetic medicine during these past 2.5 years. And I'm very happy to be a fellow now in aesthetic medicine.
It's just the beginning of a long, fruitful trip together.
Yeah.
Thank you once more.
Ever since I started the ECAMS experience, everything changed. My experience in aesthetic medicine started many years ago, but at a totally different level. After joining the ECAMS trip, everything changed. In my whole life, I did not think that today I will be here, standing in front of you and telling you about everything which happened to me in the last 3 years, which is extremely beautiful. And also I know that I'm never alone. I'm a part of a big family, and whenever I need an advice, I have whom to ask. ECAMS gave me trust. That is the most important thing that I gained, trust on what I have learned. If I would have had the chance to find out about ECAMS many years ago, I would have been here long time ago. Everything I do on my cabinet has the ECAMS signature. I changed my perspective regarding my work, my daily activity. I see the patients in a different way. I see them as a whole. I try to give the best services that I learned. And I try to grow old with my patients, but in a very beautiful manner. From my point of view, it is extremely important. These days I had a totally different experience. I came here as an assistant faculty. Practically I changed the side where I'm sitting. It's a totally different experience. I feel more responsible as I have to give information to others. I am very pleased to do that, and like this I found out that joining ECAMS gave me the power to do this, the power of science and the power as a different human. Yes, ECAMS, it is now in my blood, and this is what I do every day.